Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I teach you homogeneous function and Euler's theorem. Before teaching, I am interested to say if you like my video, my teaching, please subscribe my channel. A function fxy is said to be homogeneous degree n if it can be expressed in the form x to the power n phi y by x or y to the power n psi x by y. A function fxy is said to be homogeneous function if it can be expressed x to the power n phi y by x, here y by x both that is you may imagine y by x means here it is constant, as because y is a variable, single variable, x is a single variable, so its power is x to the power n. So homogeneous of degree n, this is also degree n, and it can be written as y to the power n psi x by n. Here this is the function, is the homogeneous function if taking x, then you can write 1 by y by x plus y by x to the power square, so x phi y by x. So this function is degree 1. This is also homogeneous function, x plus y, this degree is 1, as because degree of x equal to 1, y equal to 1. This is degree 2, as because x2, here x1 y1, that is 2, here that is 2. So whole term should be 2 if it is homogeneous. Here half and half, here 1 and 1, if you divide, so its degree is half. Now I prove Euler's theorem of two variable. If u equal to fxy be a homogeneous function of x and y degree n having partial derivative x del u by del x, y del u by del y is equal to nu. This is the Euler's theorem. Okay, how can we prove this? Let u equal to x to the power n, u can be written this as because it is a homogeneous equation of degree n. So del u by del x means partial derivative of x, so n x to the power n phi y by x plus x to the power n, the derivative of this equal to phi dash y by x, and y by x derivative is, and the derivative of y by x is minus y by x square. So if you multiply x, then here x to the power n phi y by x, x to the power n minus 1 y phi dash y by x, del u by del y differentiate partial with respect to y, so here x to the power n and phi dash y by x, and derivative of y by x equal to 1 by x. So y del u by del y equal to x to the power n minus 1 phi y phi dash y by x. Okay, so if you adding this, you get this, that is nu, n fxy, hence the proof. Now we have to prove if u be a homogeneous equation of xy and n of degree n continuous partial derivative having continuous, then this is equal to this, a x square del 2y by del 2u by del x square 2xy del 2u by del x del y plus y square del 2u by del y square equal to n into n minus 1. So this is the equation of Euler equation, Euler theorem. So if u is a function, homogeneous function of degree n, and if you differentiate with respect to x, so you get this x into del u by x derivative, the derivative of x equal to 1, so del u by del x, x into del 2u by del x square plus y del 2u by del x del y n del u by del x. This is, let us suppose this is B equation, and if you differentiate with respect to differentiate B with respect to y with respect to y, this with respect to a. If you differentiate a with respect to y, so x del 2u by del x del y, and here derivative of x equal to 1, so del u by del x del y, okay, del u by del here del u by del y, okay. If you differentiate with respect to y, so x del 2u by del x del y, and here with respect to y, so del u del y, and here y into del 2u by del y square equal to n del u by del y. Then multiplying b with x and c with c by y, okay, then we get this, and putting this equal to nu, that is from Euler theorem. So here n square u, here nu. So if you taking right hand side, so you see this x square del 2u by del x square plus 2xy del 2y by del x del y plus y square del 2u by del y square equal to n into n minus 1 into u. Thank you.